Hello, this is Dr. NutriFitHealth.com. Today I am going to discuss you about the broken heart syndrome. You may have heard it. Sometimes when husband dies due to accident or any medical illness, the next day the wife also dies. This is not because she committed suicide or she has any previous medical illness. This is because losing the loved ones may create a lot of emotional and psychological stress, which may cause cardiac muscular dysfunction resulting ultimately into the death. So this condition is known as broken heart syndrome or Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, also known as apical ballooning syndrome or stress-induced cardiomyopathy. What are the occurrence of the broken heart syndrome? This is most commonly seen in the postmenopausal women. This is also seen in the both sex of any age group. Now, what are the triggering factor of broken heart syndrome? What triggers the broken heart syndrome? This includes major financial loss, losing of the loved ones or the relatives, natural disaster like earthquake, landslides and floods, major accidents, breakups and divorce. Now, what are the pathophysiology behind the broken heart syndrome? The exact pathophysiology of this is not known yet, but it is believed that the heavy emotional and psychological stress may activate the sympathetic neuron system, causing catecholamine release, resulting into the microvascular spasm, causing myocardial dysfunction. Now, what are the symptoms of broken heart syndrome? The symptoms of broken heart syndrome may mimic the heart attack. You may feel acute severe chest pain, difficulty in breathing, and sweating. So this condition must be differentiated from the heart attack. So what are the diagnostic modalities? In the broken heart syndrome, the artery that is supplying your heart, the coronary artery is not blocked. But in heart attack, the coronary artery gets blocked. This can be observed through the radiography. Now, what are the treatment modalities of the broken heart syndrome? Once you survive the broken heart syndrome, then it may resolve with the time. Once the doctor confirms you the broken heart syndrome, he may prescribe you SC inhibitor, beta blockers, and diuretics. This medication reduces the workload of your heart while you recover. Now, what are the prevention of the broken heart syndrome? The broken heart syndrome may occur several times. So this reoccurrence can be prevented through management of stress, which is done through regular exercise, dietary changes, and sharing your problems with the family. Now, this much for today. Thank you for your time and patience. Till then, bye.